Ever found yourself at the till, ready to make that crucial purchase, only to have a nagging doubt in the back of your mind, will my card actually work? And more importantly, how much can I actually take out? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Navigating the world of daily withdrawal limits can feel like a bit of a mystery, especially when it comes to a big bank like Lloyd's. We all rely on having access to our cash when we need it, whether it's for everyday expenses, a spontaneous treat, or even those unexpected emergencies. But the amount you can withdraw from your Lloyd's account isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on a few key factors, and understanding these can save you from potential embarrassment or inconvenience down the line. So, let's dive into the specifics. Generally speaking, Lloyds Bank, like many other major UK banks, sets a default daily cash withdrawal limit for its customers using their debit cards at ATMs. This standard limit is often set to £500. This means that, under normal circumstances, you shouldn't be able to take out more than £500 in cash from an ATM within a 24-hour period using your Lloyds debit card. However, this isn't the whole story. This £500 figure is often a default, and it's something that you, as the account holder, might be able to adjust. Lloyds typically allows you to increase or decrease this daily withdrawal limit to better suit your individual needs and spending habits. Why would you want to change it? Well, you might want to increase it temporarily if you know you have a larger cash purchase coming up, like buying a used car privately or contributing to a group gift. Conversely, you might choose to lower it for security reasons, limiting the potential impact if your card were to fall into the wrong hands. So, how do you actually go about checking your current daily withdrawal limit and potentially changing it? Lloyds offers a few convenient ways to manage this. The easiest method for many will be through their online banking platform or their mobile banking app. Once logged in, you should be able to find a section related to your account settings or card management, where you can view your current limit and request a change. Alternatively, you can also contact Lloyds directly. You can visit your local Lloyds branch and speak to a member of staff who will be able to assist you with checking and adjusting your withdrawal limit. You can also call their customer service helpline. Be prepared to answer some security questions to verify your identity. It's also worth remembering that there might be different limits in place for withdrawals made over the counter inside a Lloyds branch. These limits are often higher than the ATM withdrawal limits, but it's always best to check with the branch beforehand if you plan on withdrawing a significant amount of cash in person. Finally, keep in mind that while Lloyds sets these limits, the ATM itself might also have its own withdrawal limits, which could be lower than your personal daily limit. This is usually displayed on the ATM screen before you start your transaction. So, to recap, the standard daily ATM withdrawal limit for Lloyds Bank is often £500, but this is a default that you can likely adjust through online or mobile banking, or by contacting Lloyds directly. Always be mindful of your personal limit and any potential ATM-specific restrictions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.